Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Coding with Ankit. Today's we will solve Leetcode problem. Let's get started. Today's problem is remove element. Problem number 27. It's a easy type problem. In this problem, what will happen? We will give an array and we have to remove, and also we will give some value. That value we have to remove from the array. Let's see this problem in Leetcode. Here it is mentioned in the description that given an integer array nums and an integer value, remove all the occurrence of val in nums in place. We have to remove all the elements which is matching with value. The order of the element may be changed. The return and then return the number of element in nums which is not equal to val. So we have to count what all elements are there which is not equal to val. That count we have to return. Here it is given some way how it will taste. Let's check the example. In example, first example, it's given num contains 3, 2, 2, 3 and value is 3. We have to remove 3 from the array. So what we can do, we don't need to remove it. What we can do, we can just move all those elements towards end of the array and we will give the count. Count you can see in the output count is 2. So what they are doing, they are moving all 3 towards the end and moving non all the values which is not equal to val, that they are moving towards the starting and they are counting, they are returning that count only. So we have here 2 times 2, so the 2 value is returned. In second example we have 3 1 2 times 2 3 0 4 2 and value is 2, so we have to move all 2 towards the end. So the value will become at the last num will contain 0 1 4 3 3 and last 3 element will be anything. It can be 2 or anything, we don't have to worry, we just need to give the length and here the length is 5. Let's how we will solve this problem. Let's see what we will do. We will take two pointer. One is non-val count and non-val index. Both value will be 0. Let's consider the example, first example, where the array is 3, 2, 2 and 3 and we got the value as 3. So what we will do, from starting we will use this index pointer, non-val index pointer, and we'll move from left to right. First we will check if the value is not equal to val, then we will shift that value at the place of non-val count. So here first 3 is there, 3 is matching with val, we don't have to do anything. In second iteration the value is 2 which is not equal to 3, then we can move this 2 at the location of non-val count. Non-val count value is 0, so we can place at 0 index. So now the array will become 2 2 2 3. Now 3 is gone, we have set 2 value in place of 3. We don't have to move 3, we just need to worry about the value which is not matching with the val. Now in the third iteration, the index will be at second index. Second index also is not matching with val, then we have to move that into first index because we have now non-count value will become 1 and at 1 we will place this value. Now it also set at index 1 and we will increment the count. After moving each element we will increment the count. Now count will become 2 and that count will return as a response. So the array will become 2 2 2 3 but the count is 2, so as per the answer array will have only 2 2 at the first and second place, the rest we don't have to worry about. Time complexity of this logic is big O of n and space complexity is constant. Let's write the logic in the Leetcode and see how it is working. I will create two pointer non val count equal to 0 and non-val index equal to 0. With index I will move, so I will using while loop. In while loop I will check if non-val index is less than nums dot length. Inside this we will check if at this index the value is not equal to val or not. So nums equal to non-val index not equal to val. If it is not equal to val, then we will place this index value at the count index. So we will place this nums non val count equal to nums non val index. Now if it is not equal to val, we are placing this at the count, and this count we are starting from 0. So basically we will be start placing element at the 0th index, then 1 index, 2 index, like that, and rest we don't have to worry about. And once we have placed this at count index, we will increment non-val count, because whatever next element we will found we will place at the next index. And after if condition we will also increment val index. So after each check we will increment this value as well. For both variable we will increment, and at the last we can return non-val count. So based on this count only, it will validate and check all the elements are available inside the array or not. So in first example we are returning 2, so it will check first two element is 2, it is not containing val value which is 3. In second example val value is 2, so they are checking with the length of 5 there is any val 2 is there or not. If it's not there, then that answer is correct. Let's run this code and see if it is working or not. So it's working for both the case. You can see at the output we are getting 2 2. What we can do, if you want, we can check what data array stores actually. Arrays to string, and we can print and see what data actually it's storing. So in the array you can see it's storing 2 2 2 3. So we don't have to actually move all the element, we just have to move all the value which is not matching with the val at the start. We don't have to worry about what it is storing at the end of the array. In second case also you can see till 01304, till that it is showing checking as the answer. Rest what it is containing, it doesn't matter. Let's run this code, submit this code and see if it is working for all the test cases. Yeah, it's working for all the test cases. That's about remove element. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please give a hit and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.